Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I bet you guys are wondering where the heck we've been at. We're up in Idaho putting in some wood floors. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. You can follow our journey as we escape the city and get out for Idaho. What do you think, honey?
Yeah, looking good.
Look at these wood floors we're putting in, guys. Maple. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see right there. Let's see here. I have my professional installer that I drug with me up here. Mr. Hey Alan Banks from Timberline Flooring. If you guys ever need any hardwood floors done, that's the man to do it. So, what do you guys think? Southern maple. We're putting these in. We put them in that whole room is totally done. And then give you guys a quick little tour here. Going all the way down the hallway to the front door, and there's a little spot right there for some tiles. So, but
this is more than just wood floors. This was a step down.
That's right.
Steps down.
So this whole floor right here. Let me back up so you guys can see this. This whole floor. If you guys can see in the family room right there, that's a step down over there. It's about a foot, about 10 to 12 inches lower than the rest of the floor. Yeah, and then right here, from here over and then back, this whole area right here was a foot down. So we raised this whole floor. We had to build up a whole new subfloor, and we laid this maple floor all over that. So we are putting in a new kitchen for Olivia, so that I can continue to maintain my girlish figure. And this whole thing's going to be maple floors in here, and right there is the stove. So the whole kitchen has been kind of designed, I don't know, say around the stove, but kind of around the stove. So we have all kitchen cabinets and stuff that are going to be going in as well. So guys, there's a quick little fun update for you guys. Just to let you guys know, we don't have any reception up here except for text messaging, and there's the Wii Boost antenna right there. Text messaging, and we can call, but we don't have any data up here. So I'm going to upload this when we go into town, when you guys see this. Those of you that have our personal numbers, you're welcome to give us a call or drop us a text. And otherwise, we will be back in about a week, and then we have to do our final packing, and over the next 6 to 8 weeks after that, and then we'll be moving. So, but I got to do the road first. We got some fun video coming up for you guys, because what we had to do to get the truck and the trailer up here fully loaded was nothing short of a miracle, because I have a John Deere dozer. What do you think, honey? Have you been freezing your butt off? Has it been actually pretty nice up here?
Actually, it's been really nice.
Ah, see? Check that out, guys.
Carhartt vest you got me, and that keeps me warm.
She's already adjusting, guys. I love it. Are you really liking this and embracing this? Oh, you making us lunch? Oh, yeah. Awesome. She is a fantastic wife. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll try and get another short one out. We can't live stream anything up here because we don't have we're waiting for Starlink, and we don't have any kind of reception up here. But when we go into town, I'll upload this video, and then we'll give you another update once the kitchen is in, and give you guys so there's a sneak peek, guys, of the inside of the log cabin off grid up in Idaho. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Later.